Hi everyone. I hope you're doing well. I know it's been a weird week and a half. I hope everybody's safe wherever you are and who you're with and all of that stuff. I just wanted to update you on due dates so that you don't feel like you missed something because you didn't because I postponed things. So just to be clear, what you're going to have due is the midterm. It'll be due next Sunday by 11:59, and so will the post on World Systems and Stratification and Machiapolis, the film. So take care of yourselves, take care of each other, just get it done, but know that you have more time than we originally planned because it felt like we all were compromised in one way or another, whether it was just lost power or had to relocate or even worse, hopefully not. But anyways, that's what's up. I'll be on campus tomorrow and the next day if anybody wants to meet. Otherwise, email me if you have questions and take good care and happy writing. Bye.